Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. Okay, while the oven is preheating, we're going to prepare our vegetables. And the first thing I like to do definitely is to wash them because they definitely need to be washed. Pesticides and people handling them in the supermarkets, we have to wash our vegetables. So let's do that first. So it's always good to, if you could, get one of these brushes. These are vegetable cleaners or vegetable brushes. These are really good. So it's really simple. Just kind of give the vegetable a once over, just like this. And if you don't have one of these, that's fine. You can always just with your hands, but these are pretty simple, pretty inexpensive, and you can find them anywhere. So let's just clean these off really quick. We'll do that really quickly. Here's our pepper. Just give it a nice scrub. Like so. And if, always try to get into a habit of doing this. Just, washing them thoroughly. Because remember, you got to put this in your body, and you don't know where other people have been. So I always scrub and scrub and scrub. And let's get the tomatoes really quickly here. One more tomato. Okay, wonderful. Now we're ready to trim and cut our tomatoes.